But today, I'm here to introduce to you a gentleman who's a dear friend of mine. He's helped me immensely, and he's been a consultant to some of the biggest companies in the world. Here's a guy that started literally from nothing, but back in the early days of the web, he was already the guy that was, writing some of the first CD-ROM games, did some of the first Mac games that existed, went out and became the guy that set up all those initial websites for Sony and for Columbia TriStar and for Fox. The guy that's managed or helped some of the largest business in the world, but he's also shown people how to get started from nothing. And I know that's what he's probably most proud of.
This is the ultimate AI assistant that never complains, never goes home, never asks for a vacation, never asks for a raise, and if you have a team, it will make them 3 to 10 times more productive. And that's what I love about it most, is this isn't about replacing people, it's about making people superhuman. I think AI is the most disruptive tool in the history of mankind next to fire and the internet. We have limited beliefs and limited thinking that prevent us from dreaming big, and this is like being in a freaking sandbox all over again with an innocent 5-year-old's mindset. We're in a space where all of us have 18 to 36 months to take advantage of this technology, or you will be at a massive, massive disadvantage. This is one of those technology platforms you simply cannot ignore. I've helped my team get so good at this, we can create a business from scratch, all the marketing materials, all the videos, the pitch content, the presentation in 3 days. I happen to believe that this is a tool that can create infinite abundance and opportunity in trillionaires, and that is the mindset that I seek to have every day to educate and train and show how people with limited capabilities can become superhuman.
The fastest way to get your hands dirty is to find what's your biggest pain in the butt that's just driving you nuts, and you fix it on the spot and build a solution that's replicable inside your company. We are now digital orchestrators. Think of ourselves like that. So if you're wondering, oh my God, this AI stuff is moving so fast, you don't have to know everything, just learn how to talk to it. AI is a time machine. It will give you your time back if you know how to use it, and the best way is don't work too hard.
I think the worst disaster you can create right now in your organization is to be a dictator from on high saying, you must learn AI or else. That does not work. You have to bring a culture of it into your organization, and people have to see a better future for themselves. I believe this is the future of education, is create value, show someone how to do something, get them mentorship and create value right now, give them the opportunity to earn and create value and create a business, because entrepreneurship is the international language of peace. It's like give people an ability to make money without limitations of their minds or of a country or some sort of bureaucratic political crap, all right? We all can do this.
Mike Koenig has been a dear friend for more than a decade.
Mike Koenigs was the most popular speaker in my 5,000 person event, and we had multiple $100,000 speakers there. It's because he brings more value than anyone I've ever seen, and I am a professional $100,000 speaker. He produces in real time stuff that most people think take a year or months or weeks. He just does it on stage, and he gives you a feeling that it's possible. People are spellbound, they're laughing, they're clapping, and they're actually doing it in the audience. And he just delivers more value than any other human I've ever seen. If you want this crazy combination of like a Las Vegas show, except people learn, they get real value, he's your guy.
I love Mike. He's one of the most giving individuals, and he's brilliant. And oh my God, am I jealous about how fast he's able to build those systems. Mike Koenigs, give it up for Mike Koenigs, one of my heroes.